Kitty and the Case of Hiccups by James Dean. Hiccup! Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup! Hiccup! How do you stop the hiccups? Pete has Grumpy told, how do I stop the hiccups? I know, said Grumpy told. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup! Hic! Hic! Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Callie, how do you stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot and he hops up and down. Hiccup! Hiccup! Hic! Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus, how do you stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot, he hops down and singing a song. Hiccup! 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 Hic! 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 Pete still has the hiccups. Pete has Bob. How do you stop the hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down, sing a song, and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete doesn't. Hiccup! Nothing's working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asks Mom, how do you stop the hiccups? I know, says Mom. You can take a deep breath. Pete, take a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow your out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it, Pete says. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits and he waits and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Mom are so smart. Duh! And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye!